What's up guys, welcome back to this channel once again. So guys, Jamaica has been ranked as one of the best KFC in the world. So in today's video it's about Jamaican food. Really, Nigeria tasted a Jamaican food and they really regrets instantly. It's about the spices of the Jamaica. It's about how the spirit of the Jamaica. So guys, before I dive in, let's watch this video until the end and then I come back with more reaction. And please remember to subscribe, like and also comment in this channel.
Whoever made this food should be arrested. The food is too good.
Master's arrested for making food.
This should be a crime. When your food is this good, it should be a crime. No, seriously. Like, if you serve me this food now, yeah, and the food is so sweet here, and you ask me for my bank card, I can say take the bank card. Take everything.
In fact, take the wallet.
Take the wallet.
Go to New York and try Jamaican food. Jamaican food, the bombo clot, the blood clot, me the blood clot. Let's try Jamaican food. You guys, I just got it and it's so hot. Mina reggae, the jagger la ranga. The vibe in the restaurant is everything. They play Jamaican music. Father, bless the name of Jesus, amen. Let's try Jamaican food. Is Jamaican food worth the hype? Is Jamaican food worth the hype, yeah? So I got the jerk chicken and cabbage, rice and peas. Look at these beans. I've never tasted anything like this. It's soft. The bomb, guy. The bomb. You guys, I'm not exaggerating. This is so delicious. This is so good. Wow, this is like real, like you can tell it's real. The chicken is a little burnt. Okay. This is I swear. The bombo clot. Me in a blood clot. And it's juicy. Me in a blood clot. Jamaicans are eating good. This is better than jollof rice. Wow. I'm on a diet. I don't want to eat too much. Look up. Means a blood clot. The blood clot. Bumble clot. The clot. So good.
My fellow Nigerians, I be your boy. You be my person. I know if he lied to you. Those Jamaicans, them, they cook past us. I tell you about jerk chicken, Abi. I tell you about jerk chicken. But see me, I know be small boy. So this jerk chicken, mac and cheese. Is mac and cheese correct? Brother, tell me, which food for Nigeria be like mac and cheese? Will they chop any macaroni with cheese? Will they chop Somebody yarn me say that jerk chicken be like Mr. Biggs. You they whine me. And that one I just warm up because I tell you now, I be big boy, bro. I gotta get that oxtail with rice and peas and plantain. You know what you are doing. You will get potato salad. Get out. Get out here. Rice and peas versus jollof rice alone. Jollof rice takes it. But oxtail with this gravy. Hold on, see. No. See the sauce. Flavor with this rice. Bro, I lived in Nigeria for 18 years. Naija boy I be. I go tell you the truth. Nothing we cook reach this. Also, you know if you sleep on the patty, wash it down, pineapple, ginger. And last but not least, you gotta have some dessert. My fellow Nigerians, what is our own dessert? Because they got rum pound cake. And here's the breakdown. Fried dumplings, 6.5 out of 10. The jerk chicken by itself, 8 out of 10. The jerk chicken with the mac, 9 out of 10, bro. The mac by itself, 8.5 out of 10. The oxtail by itself, 10. The oxtail plus rice and peas, 11. Oxtail plus rice and peas plus potato salad, 12. Oxtail plus rice and peas, potato salad, and plantain, 13, bro. That oxtail plate, my fellow Nigerians, I promise you, try 'em. You go change your perspective. That patty, it better pass a meat pie. Take 'em from me. Pound cake, 8.5 out of 10.
Yeah.
This shit is gone. We're trying country style Jamaican food.
You see the motherfucking oxtails.
Oh, I'm excited.
Yeah, you see that motherfucking curry chicken.
What are these?
I forgot what it was called.
How you forget?
Shut the fuck up. And this is the curry chicken with
Ooh,
the
that
potatoes.
looks fire.
Ooh, I'm finna pluck it.
Mm.
Got the pineapple soda. And then this is the pineapple ginger juice.
Plantain slaps. Oxtail is good. The rice.
It's just regular rice.
Rice actually good too. Yeah. Cabbage. Okay. What is this?
Festival. It's like a sweet. Try taste a bite.
What do you call it?
Festival.
It's nice.
Don't you so?
In Nigeria, we call this buns. Yeah. This is buns, guys. Or it tastes like egg roll without an egg in it. I'm from Nigeria, you know. It's actually nice.
I'm glad you like it.
Yeah.
This is like, let me read this. This is like a good 8.5 over 10. Solid.
Fair enough.
Yeah.
Yeah, get into these oxtails. What?
You is real thirsty about
I'm
that
ready
shit.
for 'em.
Okay, wait. Goddamn. First, we are trying the oxtails.
Yeah. Okay.
Damn. Look at that. Oh my God.
Oh my God. Ooh.
That motherfucker. Hold on. Shit.
Look how it's just.
That shit is so fucking fire. Yeah. This shit is gone.
All right, let's
Come on, get into
this.
this right here. Look at that. That motherfucker juicy and motherfucking tender.
Why you didn't give me my own plate?
Because listen.
Here she go.
Yeah. Don't get me fucking started.
Ooh, got a little kick to it. That's good.
Get a bread. Get one out of there.
How you know that's bread?
I don't care. It's papa. Get papa. Papa.
That's good.
And you know I never liked the Jamaican food. You knew that. You know I dive in. They fucking shit over on my job.
What?
Look at this. Look. Look how tender. Look at that. Look how tender that shit is. Good goodness.
Yeah.
This shit makes me want to dance. You were supposed to, what the fuck are you doing? That's the problem.
That's good.
I feel Jamaican. I feel Jamaican.
Okay.
Get the pineapple juice. Yeah. Look, get this shit. Look, taste
She
it.
crazy. I love that for me.
Huh.
That's good.
Yeah, I knew you. Okay.
Girl.
It really makes me want to dance.
So listen, we got the white rice, got the curry goat, cabbage, mac and cheese,
Somebody seen it to me the one.
the oxtail,
Watch me now.
the curry shrimp,
Eat.
rice and peas,
Rice and
jerk
peas.
chicken.
What?
Blessing.
Blessing.
Yo, look at this Jamaican food right here.
The Jamaican, man, we take us all the way
Did I
there,
do my
baby.
thing or what?
Yes, you did your thing. You did your thing. Brother, bomba clad,
My fellow Nigerians, remember when we used to think our food was the best? Remember when we used to think that now our jollof rice reign past everybody? Now we think now we do food. Now us do food. Remember, we know win again. Make I just come closer. Make I yarn you. We don't get the position again. No, we don't get our jollof rice to try. Our goat meat to try. But those Jamaican people, oh my God. Oh boy, if you know, you know. If you don't know, enter correct Jamaican.
You couldn't get me to share your food there. You know the nice smell I get when I came inside here? You can't wait. You get like I mean the smell.
I say happy sweet and make you take out more rubber.
Yeah. The nice aroma of the saltfish and ackee was just immediately I opened the door. So I was just waiting, but you were wasting a lot of time. The thing was warm enough, so I just came in and take it up.
Yeah, because me at your one, so when you sit down, me go serve it to you. But
I can't wait anymore. Honestly, it is so nice.
You know what that's over there, sir? No, the other one.
Cassava, dumpling, radish, dumpling, aki, starfish.
What do you think? Good? Nice. I told you. I knew he would like it. This is the same man that didn't want to come.
Hello guys, welcome back. I'm still feeling like I just want to eat that Jamaican food because it has really hit me. When I see when I watch that video, people are really enjoying that food. The first video was about, even that guy said, guys, check your wallet. I really feel like, wow, that is the Jamaica and that is the food. And Jamaica has been ranked at one of the second in the world about the food, and one of the best KFC is in Jamaica. And when we just go to each and every country, you will not really miss a KFC, and somebody must ask do you have a jerky chicken? And that is how really people are really in love with Jamaica. And Jamaica, tasting the Jamaican food is not about the food that it really maybe, it's just the spirit and also the connection. Because when you eat that food in United States, when you go to UK, when you go to Africa, when you go to any other country, you will really need that food. And that is the how really Jamaica has been connected by the world, and also Jamaica being ranked one of the best KFC in the world. It's on the record. And that's how Jamaica has the best food. So Nigeria really tasted the Jamaican food. And I can say that Nigeria is in Africa. And remember that the Africa is the Jamaica is the descendant of the Africa. So Nigeria thought they have the best meal. But the time they really tried the Jamaican food, it really changes everything. They really regret what the spices of these people really use, because it's not normal spices, because the Nigerians that have been using them, because Nigeria is one of the most the country that is being compared as Jamaica in Africa, because in Africa Nigeria is the ones who just winning, because most of these Caribbean people and also Jamaica, they were just taken here in Africa through slavery. And that's how they really connected with how Jamaica. So guys, I want us to read some of your comments about this video, how really people are talking about the Jamaican food. So this one is talking about black people eat the same type of food. So he was talking about the black people, they really eat the same type of food, because in Africa, most of these spices also resemble as the Africa, because of the Africa has the food like the Jamaica, but Jamaica has been overpowered the Africa. So the Africa normally feel like our Jamaicans are abroad and they are really doing well. So another one, it says, one love, my people will all love you. This one is talking about loving me. Thank you. So this one is talking about Trini, spices will blow you off the toilet seat. No joke. So this one is talking about the Trinidad and Tobago. So Trinidad also has the spices, and he's saying that it's blowing the. Another one is talking about the Chucky chicken was hitting in the Sukus area. Now I see what I have to do to turn on a Nigerian man. Just cook my Jamaican food for him. So this one is talking about the Jackie chicken. So she tested Jackie chicken and she really feel very good. And Jackie chicken is is my favorite meal. I have been tested some of them in KFC, and I told you that those KFC have all the Jamaican food. And this one is talking about, I would love to come to Nigeria to open a Jamaican restaurant. Welcome. So this one is talking about to come to Nigeria and open the restaurant. Welcome to Nigeria. Although already we have those KFC, so you can just come and add on it. So this one. Then this one is talking about as a Jamaican, I always say Nigerian food is second to the best food, second to us. Of course, I literally have never had a person say a bad word about our food. I'm 44. So this one is talking about Jamaica. Nigeria has the second one, and Jamaica is the first one, and he has never seen anybody complaining. This one is talking about, even though my parents are from another part of Caribbean, I think Jamaican food is the best. I love my island and other island food, but I've seen Jamaican dishes loved by everybody, including European and Asian. And so this one is talking about, so she's from the another Caribbean country, but she tasted the Jamaican food. So she's saying that Jamaican food is the best, and Jamaican food has went even abroad in other countries. They really love the Jamaican food. So this is, I know this is from the another Caribbean people. I know that some of the Caribbean people, they really like Jamaica, but few, they just hate Jamaica. And this one is talking about when the Cameroon guy said that the chicken is little burnt. See, he doesn't know jack chicken. So this one is just joking about how this. So Nigerians are number one people, most Jamaican are Nigerian descendants. So this one is talking about Nigerian being the number one people and Jamaicans are the Nigerian descendant. So Jamaican food is a mixture of Africa, Indian and Chinese. Even Jamaican Chinese food is one of the best. So this one is talking about the mixture of that food. This one is talking about Jamaica. Don't listen to those Nigerians. So thank you so much for watching me. This comment is so few. Thank you so much for coming back and watch my video. And please remember to subscribe, like, and also comment. We are in the road to 1,000 subscribers. Thank you so much for love, for always coming back and watch my video. Bye for now. See you in the next video.